Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. What we need to do is remove this cover here, the bottom half of the fob, to gain access to the battery. So first thing what we need to do is put the key fob blade into the upright position. Normally I'd say get your fingers and thumbs in and remove the cover, but it might just be this case, it's a little bit stiff and I'm going to need some help. So I get my screwdriver and I get it in there, and with a bit of force and a bit of pressure I can remove the cover, and there you go, there is your key fob battery. So we got our little screwdriver and we just simply prise it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025, like this one. We simply just get our battery and we pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards. We know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the cover, make sure it all lines up, and we click it back in place. And there you go. It's all done.